World Warriors, it's your girl Vienna's Beauty, and today I'm all about encouraging and motivating you out there. Like, there's nothing to eat. Like, if you just wake up in the morning, you can decide to do 100 skip. That's a good enough to burn enough calories in your system. So, on the screen, you see me putting up some pictures of testimonies of my students, the people I've worked with, and the advantages of what I'm doing. And today I'll be working with a few of my weight loss students who have the determination to work hard and lose weight. And that's exactly what I want you out there, my lovely subscribers, to do. And if it takes 5 minutes of your time a day, then go for it, girl. You don't need to work out for 20 minutes or 30 minutes or 1 hour. Start at your pace. If you're a beginner, you can use this video as a form of encouragement. Okay, it's just 4 minutes 10 seconds. That's all it takes. It's less than 4 minutes, because if you have to cut out the intro of this video, you'll be about 4 minutes or so. Yeah, so this is cross training. If you don't have a cross trainer, you can always go for normal daily workout, and this is very important. You can use a cross trainer or you use a bike. The advantage of a cross trainer is that you work out your arms as well as your thighs. If you are struggling with thigh fat or hip fat, this is a very good form of exercise. I try to do this on a daily basis, especially on the days I don't go for running. I always try to cross train, okay, because I have a hip situation. I'm trying to reduce my hips. So joke apart, cross training is very good. If you are trying to get rid of your arm fat, then you will consider cross training. Okay, you don't need to get a fancy cross trainer. You see, mine is very local, but it does the job for me. Just start at your level, start at your pace, and you are good to go. After this, I'll get to my first weight loss student. Is her name is Miliva. She's always on my on my comment section, and she is a mom of 3, but she has done a good job so far. You see, I'm always preaching about the importance of a waist trainer. You see how working out with a 25 bone steel waist trainer. I posted a video of this waist trainer yesterday on my channel. If you haven't checked on that video, please go on my yesterday video and check on it. This is another testimonial you can read for yourself, and you see the person mentioning my name there to tell you that I am the coach that I say I am. If you need any coaching services, get to Vienna's Beauty and just say bye bye to weight loss. So she's toning her abdomen, as you can see, and working out is good, guys. She's doing the bicycle crunches, and if you've watched my workout video of chlorine, she does this a lot. I did this with the chlorine workout, and after this she's gonna get into the inch one mountain climbers. So guys, just enjoy the workout, and I'll see you in a bit. Please make sure you work along with us, okay? Yeah, this works your arms and your entire body. You might look at it as if it's so easy, but I bet you trying doing this, you will know that my student is doing a great job so far. So this exercise also helps in toning the hip area, as you can see on the screen. And guys, that is it about the exercise of today. I hope you took out 4 minutes of your time to work out. We're getting into the warm down. This is Sandra. You can just follow her to warm down. just guys, if this is what it takes on a daily basis, just do this. Even if you're not trying to lose weight, just do this for your health. It's good to raise your heart rate at times. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye, I love you all.